but I heard say that's my actual name.
Okay, let's show Tim what we've been working on for him, okay?
Don't hit.
Okay, I'll show Tim. So this is currently on staging. However, I'm not able to sit here and luck out and become one of the 10% who will see this. So I'm using the Force Experiment flag just so that we can go through this.
Awesome.
And there's 4 steps to this pipeline nudge flow. And the 4th step is going to require us to put this flag back in at the end. But in production, if you're part of the experiment 10%, you won't have to do that. So ignore the magic behind the curtain.
Okay, I'm pumped.
Okay, so I have created a new merge request and I've updated a file, and this project has never had any pipelines on the merge request. So this is the first new piece here showing you that there is no pipeline on the merge request. And you can either follow this button or the show me how. They're both going to take you to the same place. So let's show us how. Oops, that was not. Okay, so can you see this?
Yep.
And I'm gonna move this out of the way. So now we're on step 2 of the nudge. It's gonna ask you to pick out a template. Code quality. Now, as you select this, it's gonna take you to the 3rd nudge. So
Mom.
there's the 3rd nudge at the bottom.
Awesome.
As you hit commit changes, this is the part where we have to go and sneak the param back in. So I'm going to try and do it really quick, but commit changes will take you to here with the param, and that's what it would look like.
Awesome. And this is already in production, but we have it behind a feature flag, right? Until we get the
There's 4 trafficking events. There's 2 that are kind of really close to being merged, and 2 other ones that are, you know, they're just not in review yet, but they're close to being done. So yes, this is fully running in production except for the feature flag, and on staging, it's the feature flag's enabled, so you can luck out and become one of the 10% on staging already.
That's awesome. I guess the other question I had for you is, even though tracking isn't completed, do you think we could still run this and maybe just get some preliminary feedback from people as they see it?
I'd like to.
Yeah. I think we're going to make that as a recommendation.
Hey, because I mean, we have at least 1 event from every nudge working.
Yeah.
So it's just to get which button did they click, or, you know, and if someone dismisses a nudge, we're probably safe to assume that they, like, if they don't get any further events from further nudge, we probably can assume they dismissed one earlier.
Okay.
But,
this is awesome. Well, great work, Jackie. This looks
yeah,
fantastic.
I like it too. Seeing it all come together, it looks great. I agree.
Yeah, and I think it's gonna help people set up pipelines, you know, pretty quickly. Outside of, you know, just enabling auto DevOps, I think this is going to be great, and it'll get them started with at least a pipeline with a code quality template. Like, I think it's awesome.
Yeah. So then I'll press the button, go to pipelines, and look, there is my first pipeline running.
Oh, I love it. Oh, it's so good.
So if you're, yeah, this was on production, I think 4 hours ago. So
Okay.
If you want to enable, if you're happy with it and want to enable the feature flag and know that we won't have the complete tracking.
Mommy,
just 1 second.
I want this.
Okay, you can have it. We'll get the rest of the tracking done.
Yeah. Cool. All right.
Okay, I'll talk to you in a little